Hello, lovely learners. Welcome back again. Our subject is mathematics, and we are still on our addition. Don't forget, we started by what? Creating our own what? Problem. If you are given the addends, then you are given addends, and you create your own what? Problem by maybe writing Amma has 5 toffees. She was given 2. How many toffees does she? She has 7 altogether. You see, so this is the what? Addons. This is the addons, and this is the what? Sum. This is the sum. And we also talked about creating the problem ourselves. Sorry. We also talked about writing the addition sentences ourselves. We were given the problem and we wrote the addition what? Sentences ourselves. I hope you remember. Good. So today we are going to talk about what? Missing addends in word problem. Missing addends in what? Word problem. Now, example. A box can contain 9 pencils. A boy puts 5 pencils in the box. How many more pencils can he put in the box? It said a box contain. This is the box. I've drawn the box already. This box contain 9 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This box, it can contain how many pencils? 9 pencils. And a boy put how many pencils in it? A boy put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more pencils can he put into the box? So this side, we don't know. And this is how it should be. The total number is given, which is what? 9. This is the 9. And one adding is given, which is the 5. Don't forget, we are still on our addition. So your plus sign is here. So this is how it becomes. 5 plus dash is equal to 9. The total sum, 9. 5 was given, 5. And the one which we do not know, how many more pencils. So if you have a question like this, 5 plus dash is 9, please, what do you think you do? You have to continue counting till you get to what? 9. So what number is this? 5. So continue counting from where? 6. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Please continue counting by making your what? Strokes. By making your strokes. So when you finish, you count the strokes you have drawn. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer therefore becomes 4. Your answer becomes 4. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. A man gave 6 toffees to Amma. A man, a certain nice gentleman, gave 6 toffees to Amma. Amma's mother also gave her some toffees, which we do not know. Amma had 11 toffees all together, and you know all together means class. So it means the man, a certain man gave Amma 6 toffees. Amma's mother also gave her some amount of toffees that we do not know. Now, they said Amma had what? 11 what? Toffees. So how many toffees did Amma's mother give her? So if this is the total sum of toffee, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the man gave Amma how many? 6. This side we do not know. Now, the most important thing is you have to know how to write the what? Addition what? Sentences. The total is what? 11. You're equal to. We don't know what the mother gave her. Your sign. Then a man gave her how many? 6. Please, I said continue counting. So you get to what? 11. So what number is it? 6. You continue counting from where? 7. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when you finish, you count the what strokes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is what? 5. Alright, as we move on, you get the understanding. Let's move on. So now we are going to solve the what? Following. Solve the following. A girl is writing 12 exercises. That is the total number of exercises the girl is writing. She has written 5. Figure out the total equal to, put down what she has written, let your class count. How many more exercises does she have to write? Your dash, we don't know. So you are going to, now the dash can start or can be in the middle. I can also write it like this: 5 plus dash is equal to 12. In addition, whether A comes before B, it will still give you the same answer. That is in addition. Alright, so this time my dash is leading. Okay, so 5. Continue counting till you get to 12. So let's continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you finish, you count your strokes. Let's count the strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer becomes 7. Your answer becomes 7. The next one. Now, a teacher bought 20 pencils. The teacher bought 20 pencils. 13 of them were yellow. 13 of them were yellow. The rest were blue. How many pencils were blue? The total was what? 20. Your equal to sign. How many were yellow? 13. And the rest are what? Blue. So we don't know it. So we have to look for 8. And we have dash minus 13 giving us what? 20. So let's continue counting till we get to what? 20. Let's go. 13. So continue. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When you finish, count your what? Strokes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer becomes 7. The answer becomes 7. I hope you are getting it. It's very interesting. The next one we have Kofi and Amma ate 8 apples. Amma ate 7 of the apples. How many apples did Kofi eat? The total was how many? 8. Amma ate how many? 7. So how many did Kofi eat? We don't know. How many did Kofi eat? We don't know. So let's see. What number is this? 7. So you continue counting till you get to what? 8. So let's continue. 7, 8. When you finish, count your strokes. How many strokes? 1. So your answer is what? 1. Let's move on to the next one. There are 19 goats in a room. 9 of them were males and the rest were females. How many are females? How many are the goats? The total number is how many? 19. You're equal to sign. How many of them are males? 9. And how many of them are females? You do not know. So here, you do what? Continue counting So you get to what? 19. Let's continue counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So when you finish, you do what? Count your strokes. Let's count the strokes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is your answer? 10. Alright, now when you finish, for you to know whether your answer here is correct. Now I've written 7 plus 5 giving us 12. For you to know whether your answer is correct, count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put all together. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So are we correct? Yes. So for you to know whether your answer is correct, put your two answers together to see whether you get the what? Total mark. Put your two answers together to see whether you get your what? Total mark. The next one too, we have 7 plus 13. So you count your 7, count your 13, and put it together to see if you not get your 20. Let's try it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put all together. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so my lovely learners, what are we learning today? We are looking at what? Missing addings in what? Word problem. And we said a box can contain, this is the box, the total number is the box. Then a boy put in 5. How many more pencils can be put in? You have to do what? Continue counting. You have to do what? Continue counting till you get to the total number of what? The total what? Number. Okay, the next one. A man gave Amma 6 toffees. Then Amma's mother also gave her some. But we don't know how many she gave her. So then the total became 11. So what do you have to do? You have to continue counting. So you get to the total and then you have your answer. So that is it. And we have our 12 problems here. Let's look at the last one again. There are 19 goats in the room. 9 of them are males and the rest are females. The total is what? There are 19 goats. So it's the total. 9 of them. So the males are here. And how many are the females? You have to continue counting. So you get to the total number of goats. So we meet again. Keep working hard. Lovely children. Bye.